Did you know that if New York were a separate nation, it would be the 13th largest economy in the world? Well, this means that New York can be a world leader in climate action, producing our own clean, renewable energy right here, which comes along with good paying jobs that can't be outsourced. This means that New York can lead the nation and ensure that every one of us has access to the health care that we need. And we can make upstate New York a place where people want to move to, not move away from. A place where our children can place their roots and raise their children here too.